Hello everyone. In this video, we gonna teach you what is Oracle Physical Standby Database, and we will show you how to create Oracle Physical Standby Database. So let's begin. Basically, Physical Standby Database is the exact copy of our primary database, which includes our data files, control files, and redo log files. Whenever any change is performed at our primary database site, so it continuously sending those transactions to our physical standby database to keep it synchronized with our primary database. Let's start how to create physical standby database.
Hi, in this session we will create the Oracle Physical Standby Database, which we have already discussed in our previous lessons. So in this session we will create the Physical Standby Database. So let's start. This is my primary server configuration. This is my secondary server configuration. So I will create two standby physical standby database in this session. Okay, so I will use backup location. This backup location I will use this archive log, archive file locations. This is my standby database db unique name, and second data standby database db unique name. Okay, so let's connect with ssh. This is my primary server ip address. Just you log in through Oracle. Okay, I also open the other log of my primary database. See, okay, open a same duplicate window. Okay, I just create a shortcut for my alert log. This is a ss file alert underscore pri.sh. Okay, I just put the tail minus f and my exact alert log file location in this file. I will execute alert underscore pri.sh. It will open my alert log. Okay, so I adjust this window like this because I will also open 4 to 5 window here. So let me adjust this window like this. This is the visible view. Okay, so let's start. First I will check the Oracle underscore SID. This my current SID set is PRI. Let me also check PS minus EF grab Asmon. This is Asmon process. one S1 process is also running the same PRI name. Okay, so let's connect with SQL plus slash sysdba. Okay, now first I will check archive log is enabled or not. Archive log list. Oh, so archive log is not enabled in this database. So archive log is mandatory, need to be enabled for creating the physical standby database. Okay. So first we have to create, we have to enable the archive mode. Okay. If we have already enabled archive mode in our database, so you don't need to enable again. Okay, so only this point we need the downtime for the primary database. If our primary database is already running in archive mode, so you don't need to take a downtime if your database already running in archive mode. If your database not running in archive mode, so you need to take a downtime to enable the archive mode. Okay, and overall standby creation, but there is no need for the downtime. Okay, so for only enable the archive mode. Okay, you just need the downtime on the first step. So let's enable the archive mode first. First I have to check the location of my archive files. Okay, if I see my document, this is my primary database archive file locations. Archive this PRI. Okay, I just copy this location to save my time. Okay, just exit from SQL plus mkdir minus p and create the directory like this. Okay, just go again SQL plus slash sysdba. Okay, show parameter. So first I have to set the parameter of archive file. Okay, so I choose log archive destination 1. Okay, execute alter system set this equals to location. Okay, equals to same archive location. Okay, so now I have to shut down my database and start it in on the mount mode. Shut down immediate. Okay, now start up mount. Okay, okay, now just execute alter database archive log. Okay, and after this alter database open, and just closely monitor your alert log also. Okay. There should not be any error during our activity. There should not be any critical error during our activity. All right. So we use the location of archive file. Use this location of archive file. Let me check the uh, list in this directory. Okay. So currently there is no file generated at that time. Now I just execute alter system switch log file. Okay, now execute the same command again. Okay, now two files generated. Okay, also check archive log list. Now database is in archive mode. Automatic archival is enabled. Okay, this is my archive destination. So the next step is I have to enable the force login. Alter database force login. Okay, the force login has been enabled. Now let's check the DB unique name show parameter. The third one is check the DB unique name show parameter unique. Okay, DB unique name already set as a my PRI, so it's okay. No need to set it again. Okay, now the fourth step is we need to take a database backup. Okay, so just check my df-h. Okay, this is backup location. This is dash backup. Okay, let's create the directory mkdir backup, mkdir logs, mkdir scripts. In a script folder, I will create the script files. In log folder, logs of Arman backup, and in backup directory, my actual database backup will place in this directory. Okay, so let's move on. Let's log in on Arman. Arman target one. Use the show all command. Show the configuration of Arman. So we have to check the control file auto backup should be enabled. Okay, so currently control file auto backup is on. Let also the configure the control file auto backup format device type to. I will change the location of this file in backup slash backup backup. Okay, %f. Okay, next parameter This is for, I just said the parallelism. Okay, parallel, how many parallel process will be used to execute the database backup. So I just use three parallel processes to execute my database backup, and put other command same. Okay, now my rman setting has been done. Now I'm going to create a script for backup. So I will create a incremental level 0 backup. Okay, so one directory scripts. All right, vi rman underscore backup.sh. Okay, let's go on my document. Okay, yeah, this is my document. Let's move on the rman backup script. Okay, this is my level rman incremental level 0 script. Just copy whole script, control C, and then paste same script over there. All right, let's verify the path. Backup slash logs rman backup level 0 database format slash backup level 0, and the current control backup control file. This control file backup will be created after the completion of database backup, and then backup compressed incremental level 0 for archive logs. Location also slash backup. Okay, it's also correct. Then I create the backup of control file again after the archive logs, and then create a backup of sp file, then backup of my control file. This is the important one. Okay, backup current control file for standby format. This is the backup of my standby control file. Okay, and then I will copy this backup. I will copy this backup on my standby side, and I will restore the same control file backup on the standby side. Okay, then I create a p file from my sp file. So this backup for p file will use for creating the p file of standby sites. So let's save this file. Okay, let's view again. Now it's okay. Now just execute same file in no hub. Basically no hub command used to execute the script on in the background. Okay, all right, let's monitor it. Move on the logs location. Right, tail minus f. This is my log. Now backup is creating. Backup log is fine. So uh, taking the backups of data files. Okay, now the backup piece one has been finished. Okay, now data file backup has been completed. Now it's taking archive log backup, and archive log backup also completed. Okay, now it's take the control file auto backup. Now backup has been completed. Let's view the logs again. Okay, there is no any error in the log file. Backup is completed successfully, has been completed successfully. Now move on the backup location. This is the files of my backup. Okay, this is my control file, and the auto control file backup. This is my standby control file. This is level 0 control file, level 0 archive file backup. So my database backup completed. Now this is the standby control file backup. This is the automatic control file backup, and this is my P file, and this is my archive backup, and this is database backup, database data file backup. So now we have to copy backup to the standby database server machines. So first standby database server machine is now first let's connect first standby database machine. This is my standby one. Okay, has the same location backup. Okay, mkdir backup, the same location or create over there. mkdir logs, mkdir scripts. Okay, backups. scp static 12168. This is my standby standby server IP address. Same location backup slash backup. Okay, enter. Yes, will ask my server password. Enter password. Now backup is copying on my standby machine. Now open the second standby server 192.168.118. Okay, 18.18. Okay, I have the same path over there. Just go on backup. Okay, I have to create the same directories over there. Backup, mkdir logs, mkdir scripts. Okay, and just copy the same backup over there on 18. Okay, so backup is copying on my standby 2. Now first to stay on standby 1, after the completion of activity standby 1, then move on standby 2. Okay, this is my standby 1. Okay, let me adjust the window. Okay, now I'm just adjusting the window, then I can open the 3 standby servers logs and working SSH window will be open on the same screen. Okay, and okay, this is my primary server standby 1. This is my standby 1. Okay, this is standby 1. This is my primary window. Okay, backup is also successfully copied on the second standby side. Okay, so I can open the log folder also for standby 1. Just open Oracle. Currently I'm just opening the window, and I will start the restoration. So then I will open the alert log for standby 1 and standby 2 as well. But currently I'm just creating the just opening the window for all my machines. Okay, Now that's okay. 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 Just check the backup. A backup has been copied on the my standby 1, and same backup has also been copied on the second standby. Okay, now let's restore this backup. First restore same backup on my standby 1. So first we have to create the p file. Okay, let's check, is there any database running over here? So there is no any database is running here, but Oracle software, Oracle software is already installed. Okay, so we just need to restore the database. We just only need to restore the database. First step for the restore the database, we have to create the p file. Okay, and echo check the Oracle home. Okay, cp this p file to this Oracle home /dbs. Okay, go on Oracle home /dbs. Alright, so open this file. Okay, now this is a p file of my primary machine. So remove these parameters. Okay, okay, okay. So we have to change ADAM directory step B1 control file application. Okay, control file, this is my control files. Okay, so no need to change the control file applications. There is no need to change the db file applications. Okay, no need to change the db name. DB name should be same. Okay, this is my recovery destination area. No need to change this. Then change the dispatcher service name TB1. STB1 is my service name. Okay, now change the archive location. This is STB1. Okay, now no anything need to be changed. Okay, so save it this file. Okay, let's cat my files. Alright. Okay. Data1 PRI. Okay. I have to create this 5G. This 5G will not be. I have to create the control file path. Okay. mkdir minus p. It will create the control file path. Okay. And also need to be create same path in fast recovery area mkdir minus p. Okay. Now I also have to create the archive locations. dir minus p. Okay. Control file locations, my fast recovery area location, and my archive location need to be created. And the last one is ADAM. This folder also need to be created. mkdir minus p. Okay. So let's working on it. So I have to change the p file name, this one, to init stb1.aura. stb1 is my Oracle SID. Okay. So let me check what Oracle SID define. Okay. Oracle SID define is stb1. Okay. Where we define Oracle SID, show you bash underscore profile. The bash underscore profile is already set after the installation. Okay. So these are the profile. Okay. Go again on Oracle underscore home dbs, this one, and let's re-verify path. Okay. File, control file, this is ddb file. Okay. Fast recovery area and the archive file is enough. Okay. So now let's start the database. sq plus /sysdba and start up amount. Okay. So now let's create the alert file shortcut. Okay. This is my u01 app. Okay. Oracle and Diag RDBMS. Oh, RDBMS. Okay. stb, this one. Okay, one parameter also need to be defined. Show parameter unique. Okay, show parameter unique. Okay, so basically this we create this free file from the production, and so we need to change the db unique name. Okay, db unique name should be different on primary and all standby database. Each standby database have different db unique name. Okay, so we need to change the db unique name parameter. Okay, so this is the example. Show parameter sp file. Okay, so first create the sp file. Create sp file from p file. Okay, then shut down immediate. So after the shutdown, now I have created the sp file. Now start up, now mount. Okay, and define my db unique name. Okay, yes, shut down again. Okay, now start up, now mount. All right, now let's see, it will create a folder name stb1. Yes, yeah, stb1. Okay, and my database alert log location is, this is my alert log location. Okay, just enter vi alert underscore stb1.sh. Okay, so till minus f is the location. Okay, so now shortcut has been created. It's fine. Okay, move on the backup location, backup. Okay, and this is my standby control file. Now I have to restore the control file backup which I've created from primary for primary to for restore it on my standby database. So this is my standby control file which I've created from primary side. Arm target. Okay, then restore standby control file from slash backup write the file name. Now control file has been restored. Now just database mount, outer database mount. Now close the monitor, the other log. Now this error is coming because this error will be coming due to we did not restore database. Okay, in the database we currently restore only the control file. So database searching the data files. So now move toward the restoration of database. Move on Armen target, cross check, backup location is same, but if your backup location in your environment it's different. Okay, so you need to execute the cross check. Okay, and after the cross check just execute the delete expired backup. Okay, this backup has been expired. Okay, yes, okay. So now catalog start with slash backup. Okay, yes, all right. Okay, first one cross check, second one delete expired backup. After the expired backup, delete the catalog the new backup. Okay, now we have to restore database. Let's move on the script folder. Okay, so vi armen underscore restore dot sh. Okay, just copy the script of armen restore. Okay, set new name is used for if your path is different, if your production database path and standby database path is different, so you need to set new name for that. So let me do that. Let's go to SQ plus DBA. Okay, and I've created the same command for creating the output. This the command set new name. Okay, Let's set line size 1000, set page size also 1000. So let's execute same command. Okay, if your standby database data file path is different, you have to change path of your standby side. You can change the path over there. Okay, so I'm just copying same command. Okay, let's move on the vi restore and remove this line and paste this line over there. Okay, save this file and also copy folder. Okay, this folder is I already have the control file access on the same location. Okay, so in my second standby set I will create other directory for standby set. In this standby set I use the same directory. Okay, okay, let's review the restore commands. Okay, now execute it. Let's go move on the logs folder. Now monitor rman restore log. Now backup is restoring on my standby one. You see the alert log also showing the same messages. Full restore complete for data file 12 7. So you have to monitor your alert log as well if any critical for the any critical error. Now restoration is working fine. Okay. Now it's applying the archive files. Now archive files are also applied successful. Now backup has been restored on standby 1. Now let's move on the standby 2 side. Okay. So we have to do the same practice on the standby side 2 side. Okay. Backup location. Backup is already being copied on the standby 2 side. Let's check the oracle underscore sid. This is standby 2. Okay. Echo $oracle underscore home cp this file to oracle home dbs location on same location. Okay. Right. Now just open this file level 10p file. Just remove this parameter because I copied this file from my primary machine. Okay. Let's change the parameter primary to stb2. Okay. So now there I'm also changing the control file location. Okay. So I'm using stb2. Okay. I can do this. tb2. Okay. stb2 for the fast recovery area. Okay. I just create db file destination also stb2. Okay. We can also define db unique name on this file. Okay. Let me show you. Okay. Let's copy this name file parameter. Come on. Static dot db unique name is equals to okay stb2. Okay. So we can also change db unique name in this file as well. Okay. So need to change this dispatcher service name as db2. Okay, and then archive locations stv2. Okay, stv2. db name should be same for all databases. Okay, db unique name should be different for standby and primary. Okay, so let's review it again. Okay, now save this file. Just move file name to init stb2 dot over. Okay, so just cat this file. So I have to create this ADOM folder mkdir minus p. Okay, okay, now I also have to create this these folders as well, mkdir minus p. Okay, archive recovery stb till mkdir minus p, same name. Okay, also need to create this directory mkdir minus p. Okay, flash recovery area already created. Also need to create the archive directory mkdir minus p. Alright, so let's move next. Now open the database SQL plus slash sysdba. Now startup, no amount. Also no need to open the other log for this as well. U01 app Oracle diagnostic. Okay, RDBMS. Okay, STB2. If you see the in this standby database only stb2 directory created because we change the db unique name in init file when we created first time. Okay, Okay, this is my location of my alert for standby 2. Vi alert underscore stb2.sh tail minus f k alert underscore stb2 dot log k. Save this file and then execute it. Okay, so let's create sp file from p file. Okay, let's shut down database to move it on sp file. Now I'll start up gnomon. So when I start up gnomon, it will start up from the sp file. So now database is shutting down. Okay, so startup amount. Okay, and also changing the backup location. Okay, yeah, let's suppose your backup location on a standby is different. I'll just change the backup location path to backup underscore stb2. Just for your understanding. Okay, now on this standby I use different path for data files and different path for backup as well. So let's see what step need to be do for that. Okay, let's move on. Login on rman target one. Let's cross check backup. Okay, database is not mounted, so first we have to restore the control file. Okay, the control file name, but so we have to restore the standby control file. Okay, it's rman target this restore standby control file. Okay, we can also do this. Don't write standby, restore control file. Okay, from path backup. Okay, backup underscore stb2. Okay, let me re-verify the path stb2. Yes, stb2, and this is standby control file. If I basically this standby control file, this is standby control file. If I don't write standby control file, restore standby control file, So it will restore the control file for the standby, because this control file is created from the primary for the standby. Okay, so don't no need to mention the restore standby word. Okay, got it? So let's store this. Okay, now control file has been restored. Now let's mount the database. Alter database, mount. Database has been mount. Now just execute cross check backup. Okay, show that backup has been expired because I've changed the location of backup. Okay, so just execute delete expired backup. Yes, now let's catalog again. Catalog start with okay slash backup slash backup slash backup underscore stb2. Okay, yes, now create the admin restore script. Okay, vi admin underscore restore load as such. Just copy my admin script, admin restore script. Copy this admin restore script. I think okay, this one. Remove this line. Okay, now create the set new name script from this query. This dba set line size, set page size. Okay, let's execute this command. Okay, just copy paste. Okay, let's copy. script, paste over there. Okay, save it. Let's verify the database directory we had created. Okay, this is stb2. Okay, so we have to change this directory in set new name command. Okay, pri. Okay, the shortcut in this one, percent s slash old value is pri and new value is stb1 slash g, and let's do again, percent s pri is in capital, stb1 g. Okay, now has been changed all data files. Let's save it. So we verify it again. So in this example we create database in different folder. Okay, now let's execute it. No hub, sh rman restore and execute this command. Okay, execute. Okay, let's go on folder logs, tail -f rman restore. Now restoration has been started. You see logs files, database log, data files is creating on this folder stb1. Oh, just change stb1, stb2. Okay, for the data file I use stb1, so no worry, you can use it. So my backup is restoring. In the previous standby we use the same path just like primary. In the second standby we use a different path. Okay, let's wait for the restoration completion, then we will move on the recovery side. My standby 1 restoration has been completed, archive file also applied. So but we just need to define some parameters and some setting need to be perform some settings. Now archive backup also being restored. Now backup has been restored on standby 2 site as well. Okay, So both side backup has been restored. So second steps is we need to copy the password file of my production to both standby machine. Just move on the Oracle. This is my primary site. Okay, so go on dollar Oracle underscore home. Okay, and dbs. That is my password file. I have to copy this password file to another machine. On my standby machine, now the Aura PW file already exists. Let's suppose in your production environment you don't have the Aura PW file. So let me create this file again. Okay. So just create a folder old, move this Aura PW file in old folder. Okay, and use Aura PW. Okay, file is equals to Aura PW PRI. This is my thread, and the first five characters is mandatory, and last three characters my thread. Okay, then password for sys is suppose Oracle. Okay, it's asking for maintain the complexity for the sys user. Okay, let me use 3 2 1. Okay, also asking for special character. Okay, okay, so I use Aura. This it's my file. Okay, hash 5, use this character. Okay, and use command force equals to y. Okay, so file has been created. So let me check file Aura PWPRI is created. Okay, you can also you create this file without force parameter. Let me show you again. Okay, old. Okay, and execute the same command and remove the force parameter. Okay, this file also has been created. Okay, so let's copy same file, both scp, copy this parameter file to both standby machines. 18.16. Okay, this is location where I have to copy. Okay, just change the IP address for this 18. Same. Okay, all right, now just move on my standby one side. This is my standby one. Okay, so dbs folder. Okay, just rename the file according to set of this environment. This environment's SID is stb1. stb1. Okay, just move on here. This is my standby 2 dbs. Okay, and v stb, this is stb2. Okay, so parser file has been copied. uh, Next is we need to copy the TNS entries. Okay, these are the TNS entries I have already created. You can create TNS entry as per your environment. The format should be same, but parameter can change the host name, service name, and port of your database as per your environment. So we need to copy this TNS on the network admin tns name.aura file. We need to create a tns name.aura file. By default, tns name.aura file will not be create. So we have to create it. This file name is tns names.aura. Okay, just paste these tns over there. Okay, on both standby server as well. This standby server already having tns name.aura file. So okay, vi this parameter file tns num.aura file and copy paste tns entry over there. Okay, do same thing over there. Okay, so we need to create a tns name.aura file. Okay, so all tns name.aura file has been copied. So let's tns ping to test these tns entries. PRA tns ping PRIs. Okay, the listener is not running on my primary side, so let us start LSN. Let's also check the other one as well, TB1. Okay, and STB2. Okay, let LSN or CTL start. Okay, same here, LSN or CTL start, and LS and RCTL start. Okay, let's check the status of listener. Okay, listener has been registered. LS and RCTL status. Listener is not registered with this. Okay, so go on SQL Plus, SysDBA, auto system register. Okay, let's execute again. Now listener has been registered. Now listener also has been registered. Now let's execute TNS ping again for STB1. Now it's working. STB2 is also working, and for PRY is also working. Let's check same TNS ping from both standby as well. Okay, STB2, no need to TNS ping STB1 from STB1. Okay, TNS ping PRY. Okay, now it's also working, and STB1 is also working. So passive file has been copied, and TNS entries also has been copied. Also TNS has also been pinged from all servers. Okay, so let's log in to primary machine database SQL plus /sysdba. Now we need to define archive destination. We need to register our standby database to primary database. For register the standby database to primary database, we need to execute the commands. Okay, these commands, let me show you. Okay, this command is need to be execute on the standby sites. Okay, these are the command. Okay, alter system set destination to destination when one is already using for the archiving, and destination 2 is STB1. Service equals STB1. STB1, it is our archived TNS destination. We said in our TNS time the error file. Okay, the mode is async. Okay, it's online primary role. Okay, and DB unique name is STB1, which we have already defined. So let's execute this command. On first we register the standby one on my primary site. Okay, slowly monitor the alert log. Okay, just enter. Okay, now it has been registered. Now if you see, there's RFS process has been generated. This RFS processes is a remote process. It shows that the archive files is copying from primary to standby side. Okay, let's execute the same command for standby 2. We just change the service name and unique name. All things are same. Okay, and we use archive destination 3 for standby 2. Okay, let's execute this one. Show. Okay, the RFS process also being initiated on standby 2 side as well. If you see the alert log of my standby side, both standby side. Okay, so let's execute the managed recovery on standby side. First, SQL plus dash sys dba. Okay, the command will need to be execute auto database recover managed standby database disconnect from session. Okay, the database recover manage standby database disconnect from session. Okay, disconnect from session, this will show you the prompt. Let's execute it. So back in background manage recovery is going to execute. Okay, now manage recovery has been started. Let me execute the same command on second standby server. Okay, okay, the managed recovery also has been initiated on second standby server. Next, execute alter system switch log file. See, the archive is being copied from production to my standby side. Okay, so let's see status of our standby side. This command is for checking the synchronization status of the primary and yes sir. Let's execute this command for the primary. The primary last sequence number is 15. Okay, let's copy these two, select okay. If you see closely, the 15 number is applied on the both standby machine. First query show the sequence number is a receive archive and second one is applied archive. Okay, let me execute the system switch log file. Okay, I'll execute the same. Okay, you see this, the last standby receive is 18 but applied is 15. Okay, standby receive 22 but applied is 22. Okay, now output has been changed. Receive also 22 and applied also to 22. Okay, let also test our